Hello, I'm Sabina, a CPA financial planner. I advocate for you to pay less taxes legally, legitimately, and ethically. Our practice focuses on tax-smart investing and wealth building. Today, I'd like to talk about how to shop for a long-term care policy. Everyone wants to enjoy excellent health, hobbies, family, and travel until they die. But according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioner, about 70% of people who reach age 65 won't have perfect health forever. They will need some form of long-term care in their lifetime. And getting that care doesn't come cheap. Costs range from $21,000 annually for daytime care at a drop-in community facility to over $90,000 per year for a private room in a nursing home. And much to many people's surprise, Medicare only covers a small portion of long-term costs, and the coverage is very limited. This is where long-term care insurance policy comes in play. Long-term care policy are designed to cover expenses that aren't covered by Medicare and that you can't cover with your savings, Social Security, pension, or other retirement income. So now it's planned for long-term care now. It's never too early to start planning for it. If you wait too long to obtain coverage, you may not be able to get it. Long-term care plan comes with a lot of medical questions during the underwriting process. They want to see your physician records and know your health history, medication, and more to determine if you are insurable. If you have a diabetic or other chronic illnesses, you may find it difficult to get insured. Plus, the rates increases as you age. You can shop for long-term care policy on your own, but a licensed independent agent can offer you a variety of options from various providers, so you're not locked into one company. Let me share how we can help you shop for a policy. Here's what to look for when shopping for a policy. Number one, the insurance company rating. You want the insurance company you choose to be around when you need the benefits. Look for companies that have a long history of being in business and a top rating from AM Best, which is a rating agency. Number two, look at the daily benefit amount. Your ultimate objective is to find a plan that pays the greatest benefit for the lowest cost. Start by comparing the daily benefit amount. The industry average is $130 per day. The higher your daily benefit amount, the higher your premium will be, but it also means a larger pool of money when you need it. Number three, the policy duration. While you can purchase plans that range from 2 to 6 years in length, the industry standard is to purchase a 4-year policy. For example, if you purchase a 2-year plan at a rate of $130 per day, you'd have $93,600 as your pool of money. If you purchase 4 years, it'll be $187,200. Important, you cannot add on to the policy later, so buy what you think you might need now. Number four, the elimination period. Similar to a deductible, the elimination period of a long-term care plan can be 30, 60, 90 days or more. The industry standard is 90 days. This means that once you start needing care, you must pay for the first X number of days yourself. Your long-term care reimbursement begins after that. Number five, the inflation protection rider. Though optional, this coverage may be worth it. The cost of Medicare will be higher in 10 to 20 years than it is today, which is why purchasing inflation protection can make sense, especially for younger policyholders. At a younger age, we suggest including inflation protection because it makes sense and the price is right. But from about age 72 and above, it pushed the premium over the limit of what most people are comfortable with. What to expect after applying? Once your application goes to the underwriter, it takes roughly 4 to 6 weeks to process. If approved, you'll fall into one of the two categories, standard or preferred. The preferred comes with a lower premium to reward healthy, non-smoking individuals. While costs differ based on a multitude of factors, including age, gender, and health, most policy would cost about $3,000 to $5,000 annually. In the event you need to begin a claim, your premiums are waived during that time frame. We encourage clients to find something they can comfortably afford that would give them peace of mind down the road. Remember, long-term care is not designed to cover the whole cost of an event, but rather to cover part of that cost. I hope you find shopping for a long-term care policy a little easier now that you know what to look for. And if you like this video and find it useful, please click on like, subscribe, or forward to those who may also benefit from this tutorial. Please also head to basecpaplus.com to sign up for your email newsletter full of tips for less taxes and more investment return. Until next time, God bless.